This evening, I was just checking out the garden and checking out my solar lights I have all around it. I hadn't been paying attention because in the evening the mosquitoes are biting. So I'm here in the evening, finally seeing what it looks like. My little solar fountain, my solar lights. It looks good. My watermelon and cantaloupe is looking good. Everything's looking good. Corn is corny. And back there you can finally see the tree trunk of the old oak tree that we cut down. And please tell me what these damn weeds is. Is this a flower or a weed? I think they're a flower. Everything's looking real good. I just was pulling solar lights out of everywhere that I found them and just setting them up to see if they work. They're still working. All my solar lights are still working. Look at the cucumbers in the evening. Looking gorgeous. I really love this garden in the morning. All the lights in the morning. It just really looks great, but in the evening, it's looking good too. 'Cause now I get to see all the lights. Let's go see what's over here. I got my solar balloons in the water. Got these solar lights right here on the fence. Hey. Got those in the water going. No wind tonight. It's gonna start heating up here in Northern California in a minute. No wind. Lights are starting to come on. I'm a solar light queen around here until my grandbaby got to all my solar lights and pulled them out. So I'm starting all over. I love this blue. This blue is next to my blue drying rack. For some reason, I love this blue. I love solar lights, but I don't care for them blinking. I just want solar lights to just give me that resort feel. I love movement in my backyard. I really do. These are Amazon shower curtains. Really, they are. Amazon shower curtains, I have lots of them because they have the best patterns, and I order them and I put them out. I let them move in my backyard beautifully or cover something, you know. I have another shower curtain over here. There's a lot of wind, so I pop my thing down. You see that shower curtain over there behind the TV? Shower curtains do amazing things. Okay, follow me for more. I have a lot more things set up in the backyard. All right, talk to you later. Bye.